Well, good morning. We're snowed in. Operation Sleep in Your Car in a Blizzard is working. So then I just pack everything down in the trunk, move some of my luggage, my bags, this box back. Got my snowboarding stuff here. I'm gonna let my car warm up and I'm gonna go assess how much snow is out there. It doesn't feel like it's a lot. It's probably, I'm gonna guess, probably 3 inches. It's gonna be really hard to tell. It doesn't feel like a lot of snow, maybe 4 to 6 inches, but thankfully the plow guy came by, took care of it. So I'm gonna brush my car off and go pee and yeah. Not bad. Not even that bad out, really. Lift delayed, I see. Wow, there's already a lot of people here. It's crazy. Powder day. Everyone's coming out on powder days. Woo! So for my final run of the day, I'm gonna do some backcountry, and I would have never found this if it wasn't for this guy named Mike who just was like, follow me, I want to show you something. So this is really beautiful. There's a little hike and then I'm gonna get into the trees. This is actually a pond. I don't know where it starts, but it's a pond. Apparently this is a way you can cross over from Smuggler's Notch to Stowe, but I don't have a lift pass for Stowe, so it's gonna be my final run for the day. So I'm at the top of this little hike. If you go that way and you ski down the other side, you will get to Stowe. I'm gonna go right through this little door here, door into the woods, and go down and find the road. All fresh powder, baby. And look at this place. Absolutely gorgeous back here. Lots of fresh, untouched powder. Whew! Look at this fresh, untouched powder. Look at this line. I'm going for it. Woo! I'm in a precarious situation. I knew I was gonna go down. Look at the mountain behind me. It's gorgeous. And somehow I'm the only person back here right now. It's like the last run of the day. Can't believe this guy showed me this place. This is like, if it snows a lot, this is such a cool place. I don't even know where I'm going. Imagine if you knew like your spot. It would be epic. I want to get a video of this mountain. I believe this is Mount Mansfield. It's got a rock face you can't really see. But the reason I've lapped this a few times, besides the powder, is, see that road right there? That's Smuggler's Notch Road, and it's closed for the winter. So, if I make my way down there, woo! You actually can ride the road back to the parking lot.